Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. So I gotta go clean the carburetor. See if I can get this taken care of. So I'll start up the ultrasonic cleaner. Give this thing a go. Okay, now we start the carburetor clean. Okay, I'm going to go out in the garage and blow this out with the air. I think everything's clean on the inside of this. I think it was really the reed valves that were causing the problem. An LMB carb. And over here it has 332. And up here it has 165. Needle valve looks okay. The seat looks okay. The seat for the main valve, the main seat on the main jet looks good too. I don't think there's really anything wrong with this carb other than the dirt that was in it. Made in USA. Got a little wrinkle in it. Somebody manhandled it at some time. Needle looks okay. This one looks good too. Low speed jet cleared out. Low speed jet blown out. High speed jet blown out. Float needle blown out. Throttle plate looks good. Choke plate looks good. A little corroded, but not bad. Ultrasonic does a nice job of cleaning it up. That little spring wraps around that pin, and then this was captured underneath this, jammed between the metal bowl and the gasket. And we've got this gasket that goes across the pin, around the pin there, and then that screws into there. Tighten that up. That's at a turn and a half. Half, 1 and a half. So the idle jet was set at 1 turn. This main jet was set at 1 and a half. I haven't adjusted the idle on this at all, so that's right where it was. Okay, the carb's ready to go back on. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.